And you guys thought we didn't do music videos anymore.
Do this again. I won't let you get inside my head. You said I'll never leave you, that I'll always need you. But for now, let's not pretend. This time, let everything.
What's up, guys? So welcome back to another behind the scenes vlog. Today we're shooting a music video with Haela. We're in Shamokin, PA. We're in this doctor's office that there's an abandoned basement portion that we're gonna be shooting a lot of these scenes in. The basis behind this video is a lot of black and white scenes for the lead singer, very contrasting, and then just a cool full group shot at the end of each of the band members, and then a full group band shot. So we're gonna go start setting up, get lighting set, things like that. We'll show you a little bit of that. So let's head inside.
Hey.
Hello. Jesus said, let there be light. So we're doing a little stairwell scene here. We're gonna cut some slits in the cardboard to get some more dramatic lighting coming through here. We're gonna cut all these lights off and just get some dramatic lighting coming through here up for the stairwell, maybe throw some atmosphere up, that kind of stuff. Have a good time. That's cold, I'm shutting that, it's winter time. All right, let's get to it. Like maybe like 3. Or should I cut like a bunch of them?
Try 3 first, because then you could add more later.
Are you entertained?
As what? As like, just to keep it like as like up as possible.
The wall or up? Up. One of the scenes, we got some wrapping dead people up material, as you call it. We're gonna hang it down in strips, and it's gonna be one of the scenes where she's kind of moving throughout this kind of clear plastic that's hanging down here. And we might use a little bit for the full band shots as well, as just some hanging down for some extra to add to the scene.
On there, guy.
Post it to Instagram. Hashtag iPhone over Android.
Yeah, okay.
No, we just shot the first scene up in the stairwell. Everything looked really good. I'm excited for that. We got this next one going. We got this old elevator shaft. Josiah has put one of his Practilite spotlights up above us, kind of running the cable around here. We're gonna shoot just a very cool, isolated, contrasty scene. We're gonna close this here. Kind of have her up against of her parts, kind of a very raw, gritty. I'm gonna spray some atmosphere, things like that. Another just cool, contrasty scene that's gonna be black and white for the final video.
So I can hide behind disguises that entice the other. Side by side, the sight is shot. It's almost like you're out of sight. Now I don't mind, keep myself away from you. I tried to turn it off, to play it off.
All right, guys, so right now we are set up for the performance stuff. We shot all the stuff with just Kira, the single shots, and right here behind us is the setup for the performance. So let's just walk through and kind of look a little bit what we have going on here. First off, right above us, we have a little blue spotlight to accentuate right where Kira's gonna be standing on the singer. To the left and right of me, and immediately, we have 2 panel lights with just some orange gels on them to add some color. Some of the orange, we're going with an orange and blue kind of theme here, as you can see. The spots behind us are to serve as just kind of a lens flare, just front-facing light to backlight everyone, give some depth to the shot. When you move it in and out of everyone's heads and things like that, you get that light flare coming in and out. It's got a really cool look. So back behind us, back behind this scrim here, this Haela scrim, is a case R with some blue gels on it just to add some depth to the back of it. So it's a pretty simple setup, so to speak. Works really well for what we have going here. So we're gonna film all that. And then I think we're gonna do one more scene after that back in the elevator individually. So other than that, things are wrapping up. We're doing pretty good. Let's go check it out. Alright guys, so we just wrapped up our last shot here. It's been a long day. We've been shooting since about noon. That's not too long, about 10 hours we shot today. If you notice throughout the day, we were moving between multiple locations, getting multiple takes on each location. Especially for music videos, it's really good to get a lot of different shots, even at each location and multiple locations. So there's a lot of cut in. You can lay all these different shots over top of each other and just constantly cut between shots, just so you can add more dynamic effect to it, rather than just sitting on the same shot like in one location of a band. In our case, we shot in the stairs, we shot back here in the elevator, we shot in a setup with this plastic wrap, and then we shot a full band setup basically. So there's 4 different sets to cut between with all the different shots. If you've noticed, I didn't actually even use my gimbal today, not because I forgot it, but because with these kind of videos, you really want a lot of high energy motion, and being with that gimbal, it's so steady, it's too steady for something like this. You really want controlled movement with the music to create that just effect of energy and just keep going with everything that you're doing basically. Alright, so thanks for checking out our behind the scenes of this music video shoot. It was great working with the band. We had a lot of fun, so we'll see you guys next time.
I don't think it works.
Shut up, Josiah.